I studied Angel Academy in 5th standard. Today I am going to give a short speech on Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was a brilliant student. He studied economics from London University and Columbia University. He born on 14 April 1891 in Mahou Chapne, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Maloji Satpal and his mother's name was Bhima Bai Satpal. He also known as the father of Indian Constitution, and he was the #1 world-class scholar, world-class lawyer and world-class social reformer. He awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990 and he died on 6 December 1956. Thank you. In original constitution, there are 395 articles, 8 schedules and 22 parts. Now, there are 448 articles, 12 schedules and 25 parts. Now I am standing here to give some articles. Article 1. Name and territory of Union.
सर का कहना है कि आप हिंदी में ही बताते रहिए। तो चलो बेटा बोलो पहला फर्स्ट।
आर्टिकल 1 नेम एंड टेरिटरी ऑफ यूनियन।
संघ का नाम और राज्य क्षेत्र।
आर्टिकल 2 एडमिशन और एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ न्यू स्टेट।
नए राज्यों को प्रवेश या स्थापना।
आर्टिकल 2A सिक्किम टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद द यूनियन।
नए राज्यों का निर्माण और वर्तमान राज्यों, क्षेत्रों, सीमाओं, नामों में परिवर्तन।
आर्टिकल 3 फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू स्टेट एंड अल्टरेशन ऑफ वेरियस बाउंड्रीज और नेम ऑफ एक्जिस्टिंग स्टेट।
नए राज्यों का निर्माण और वर्तमान राज्यों, सीमाओं या नामों में परिवर्तन।
Article 4 laws made under Article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of first and fourth schedules of supplemental, incidental and consequential matter.
पहली अनुसूची और चौथी अनुसूची के संशोधन तथा अनुपूरक और पारिवारिक विषयों को बंद करने के लिए अनुच्छेद 2 और अनुच्छेद 3 के अधीन बनाई गई विधियां।
Article 5 citizenship at the commencement of Constitution.
संविधान के प्रारूप पर नागरिकता।
Article 6 right of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान से भारत प्रजन करने वाले कुछ व्यक्तियों को नागरिकता के अधिकार।
Article 7 right of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to Pakistan from India.
भारत से पाकिस्तान प्रजन करने वाले कुछ व्यक्तियों की नागरिकता का अधिकार।
Article 8 right of citizenship of certain persons who have of Indian origin residing outside of India.
भारत के बाहर रहने वाले भारतीय उद्भव उत्पत्ति के कुछ व्यक्तियों की नागरिकता के अधिकार।
Article 9 person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizen of India. Article 10 continuance of the right of citizenship. Article 11 Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Article 12 definition of fundamental right. Article 13 laws inconsistent with derogation of fundamental right. Article 14 equality before law. Article 15 prohibition of discrimination on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. Article 16 equality of upper unity and matters of public employment. Article 17 abolition of untouchability. Article 18 abolition of title. Article 19 protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20 protection in respect conviction for offences. Article 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A right to education. Article 22 protection against sterility detention in certain cases. Article 23 prohibition of traffic in human being and forced labor. Article 24 prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Article 25 freedom of conscience and free profession of practice in propagation of religion. Article 26 freedom. Article 26 freedom of Article 26 freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 freedom as to payment of taxes or promotion of any particular religion. Article 28 freedom as to attendance in religious instructions or religious worship in certain educational institutions. Article 29 protection of interest of minorities. Article 30 right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. Thank you.